So if you maybe like math, but you hate equations and solving equations, graph math is for you. Graph math is going to show you all of the equations, your linear, your quadratic, your rational functions, your exponential, even equations have to do with triangles, with making spheres, with making ovals. All of these equations and more you will see in graph math without having to actually touch solving an equation ever. And so this class is really going to give you a conceptual understanding of what these shapes are. Now, if you're like, ew, what do all those words mean? Don't worry, you're going to draw pictures essentially in this class. You're going to go to this website called Desmos. You're going to draw pictures. You can draw the beach. You can draw a Pokemon. You can draw a tree, you can draw whatever you want, and I'm going to help give you the equations that you're going to use to make whatever shapes you want. And so instead of you having to go through and solve all these math equations and think really hard about what exactly is going on when I change the x or the y value, instead you're going to take these lines and you're going to mess around, plug in these numbers, and just kind of see what happens and see what shapes you're able to draw. For any parents wondering, what exactly is this? It's essentially a math class for kids who do not want the A, B, C, D, E list of instructions and want to approach math at their own pace. They're going to be given all kinds of different equations that they will run into throughout math, but instead learn how to manipulate those functions and how to graph them without having to solve through and work directly with the numbers and spend a lot of time on homework or on solving through these equations. So it's going to be a really hands-on approach. It's great for any students who do not want to be told exactly what to do and want to kind of discover things on their own.